Hi everyone, welcome to IPT Solution. Today in this video we are going to see how we can optimize our React Native code. So as you know, if you are using flashed list or virtualized list, so here with the help of virtualized list or flat list, you can little bit optimize your code performance. Of course, they use work, but in this video we are going to see how we can optimize our code performance like 10x faster than flat list or virtualized list. If you are say using scroll view, that is by default we usually used to use a scroll view, but we are going to replace the scroll view. We are going to use flat list instead of that. After that, the like flat list is 5x like 4x faster than scroll view, and after that we are going to use a virtualized list, which is little bit more fast than flat list. But top on this, there is something more great thing, that is uh, I can say flash list. So what is flash list? We are going to explore in this video, and we are going to optimize our code performance up to 10x faster. So let me introduce the flash list. So as you can see, the flash list. So what is a flash list? So basically flash list is a library which is given by Spotify. So the developers of Spotify introduced this flash list. As you can see, the Shopify. So how you can install this in your project? You can simply add yarn at the rate Shopify slash hyphen list. And for iOS, you can use cd iOS and code install. No need to for Android. Just run this code command, and in Android it will be automatically installed. Now let's check the performance of this. So here you can see React Native flash list. So flash list of React Native is like here, only here, and flash list by Spotify, it is 10x, means 10x faster than flash list. So it is really great that our code is completely optimized. So let's continue how we can use. We need to install this library in our project. So let's jump to our project. So this is a project of React Native which I am working on. So I will show you the code, how you can exactly implement the flash list, and I will explain what are the things and what are not the things. Okay, let me little bit zoom it. Okay, so this is the flash list. We need to import this from like at the rate Spotify, here at the rate Spotify flash list. Okay, and we need to use somehow like this. First we need to provide the data, like array of data what we want to map. After that, whenever this data changes, we need to extract this data. For that, we need rails like extract data. If the data is not changing, then no need to provide extra data. After that, render item means the single component. After that, we are extracting the keys, and on pagination we have implemented pagination. When we reached at the end, we are fetching next page data. After that, we are giving here and reach threshold means last second item of the flash list. After that, snap to interval means how much we need to scroll, like we need to provide how much we need to scroll. So this is, I am giving the height of one item only, not whole list, only one item. After that, I am providing snap to align means it will align to the center of the screen, correct? After that, on view change means whenever I am scrolling, I am calling a function to change the index. After that, how like viewable config means whatever the configuration I am providing here, it will ensure that within this threshold I should scroll first, only then this viewable item change will called. After that, initial scroll means the first time whenever it will scroll, like first time when flash list is loading, it will scroll to this index. After that, disable auto layout means flash list will not automatically lay out the item. And I'm telling here max to render per batch means if I'm not scrolling, even then in the flash list, load the 10 items. Okay, after that window size 21, this is, I'm also not aware, but the documentation said that you can use it. After that, remove clipboard, the same. Now, estimation item size. Now, this is something you need to know. Really, you need to know what is estimation item size. So, estimation item size is the height of height of a single index, like single item. Height of single item is estimation item size. In case of my, I am getting this from common data, like app provider, and I am storing this and I am using this. After that, list footer component means at the end what should I am using a skeleton, and you can use anything if you want to. After that, I am showing, like I have not want to show any indicator like scroll bar is there, that I am hiding by making it false. After that, I am like maintaining visibility content position means uh, these items should scroll, like, should be in view whenever I scroll, like I am scrolling automatically. At the below 10 items will automatically load. Okay, now next is initial number to render means in your first time when flash list will load, how many items should get rendered. So that is I have put uh, 10. So this is a basic config with the, so main things here are data, render item, key extractor, and estimation item size. These 4 to 5 things are really important to use this flash list. By doing this, really your code will improve by 10x faster. You will feel like wow, it's really great. So you can use this in your projects. So that's it, guys. Thank you.